This is a 2005 Cadillac Escalade, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It features a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, driver's side impact airbag, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a rear parking aid, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Best Bet and Independence Auto Sales is located at 15431 Highway 99 in Linwood. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.